Guys, welcome to day 3 of playing every day until I hit 10K. Today I'm playing on Japanese server. Oh, it's construction. Okay. I won't play what I normally play, which is AR Uzi Scythe and Warhorn. Hopefully it doesn't climb that thing. I find the clean that thing. So shout out to my friend Tiger Pat. He bought me the screen cases. Okay, and okay, we're going out there. Nice. Okay, we're going to test that anyway. I'm gonna go there and go faster. Can you move now? Okay, now what's he gonna do? He's trying to climb the. Okay, now he's on top of it. Okay, I don't know what he's doing. Wait, how do I 100 now? Should I play time? Okay, actually doing like this. She's wearing like EX sniper, dagger, fist, satchel or something. I genuinely don't see him. I'm just gonna get annoying genuinely don't know what to do. I don't know where the oh he shot. Oh, he's gonna be toxic. I genuinely don't think he's that toxic or not. I'm trying to freeze and gonna whack him down. Nice, he fell down again, bro. Nice, bro. That's what you get, bro, for being toxic. That's what you get for being toxic, bro. Oh, damn, bro, you think that's it? Yeah, we think that's it, bro. I'm used to this layer, so just something like that. Nice, bro. This guy just being toxic. Yeah, it's super annoying. I don't know if there's anything like toxic players do not. It's fun to do that for that on the map that control. Look, we miss a smaller path. It's so weird.